Audio and sound effects in this video were created using audio.com. Use the link in the description to get 10% off.
Hello everybody, welcome to Filmmaking Today. Boy and Dulabic here. So, do you want to know what expired film looks like on your Pentax 17? Let's see. Alright, so in this episode we're going to take a look at the Fujifilm 200 expired film. Now, I actually have two rolls we're going to take a look at. They're both Fujifilm 200. However, there are definitely differences. So the first one expired in 2011, and I know that because it said on the box. The second one, I don't know when it expired. It looks like it probably expired maybe 20 or even longer years ago, 20 years or longer than that. So let's take a look at the one that expired in 2011. So this was shot on the Pentax 17, and this is what it looks like. As far as I'm concerned, this looks pretty damn good. I mean, I've shot it with several expired rolls over the few years, and none of them look this good, I gotta say. Now, let's take a look at the other roll, the one that I don't know exactly when it expired. So the first one that you saw, the photos of the first one, were shot at ISO 100. I followed that rule, overexposed by one stop for each decade. So I shot it at 100 since it's a 200 speed roll. And the second roll I shot at 50 because I wasn't sure when it expired. So I figured, okay, let's go by two stops. So this is what those images look like.
If you like my film photography, check out my Etsy store. See the link in the description.
Now, as you saw, there was also two black and white photos. I converted those, obviously, to black and white because it just looked better that way. And I kind of have a thing where with expired film, a lot of those photos, if you convert to black and white, they actually look really nice. I don't know if it's the grain or the inconsistency in color where it looks much better when it is in black and white. But anyway, so there's that. So I just wanted to show you those two rolls because obviously with expired film, there's no rules. You could get a roll that looks amazing like the first one, or you can get a roll like the second one that still looks good in my opinion, but it definitely shows that it has that expired look where the colors are inconsistent, the grain is definitely much higher. However, if you look at those photos, especially of the second one, again, considering it was shot on a half-frame camera, it still looks good. So, my main reason for showing these photos of expired film using the Pentax 17 is to show you that even half-frame cameras can still give you a really nice quality with expired film, right? Again, yes, expired film is a wild territory. You never know what you're gonna get. However, don't be afraid to explore with your Pentax 17 or other half-frame cameras, because I think there's a lot of misconceptions with half-frame cameras. Yes, it's technically half the quality, but again, that's a very relative term, because it all really depends how it was scanned, you know, how it, if you're going to print it, how big you're going to print it. So there's a lot of variables here. And if you're just going to use it on social media, or you're just going to print it in like small to medium format prints, it doesn't matter. Half frame is perfectly fine, and the Pentax 17 certainly does an amazing job. So that's it, guys. Stay tuned. I will have more videos coming soon with different film stocks that I used. So stay tuned, check those out. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, tell your friends and all that good stuff. If you like my pictures, check out my Etsy store where you can download the digital prints. If you want to buy me a coffee, the links are in the description if you want to support my channel and all that good stuff. Thanks.
Color grading and film emulation in this video was done using Dehancer Pro. Use promo code FILMMAKING today and get 10% off any of their software. See link in the description.